How to turn off the orange dot on iPhone. To turn off the orange dot on your iPhone, you first need to find Settings from your home page. Once you find it, open Settings on your iPhone. Here, you can access all the primary settings of your iPhone. Then, scroll down a little bit. Now, tap on Accessibility. Here you can personalize iPhone in ways that works best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Now, scroll down a little. Then, tap on Vocal Shortcuts. Once you are in, you will see only one option. Toggle off the Vocal Shortcuts option. Once you have turned this off, you won't be able to access the feature anymore and the orange dot won't show up until you turn it back on. So by following these simple steps, you can easily turn off the orange dot on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.